Welcome to the 365 channel English conversation video series. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
How are you?
I am fine.
What's your name?
I'm Jerry.
Where are you?
At school.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Do you work?
Yes, I do.
Feeling tired?
A little.
What's that?
A cookie.
Is she nice?
Very kind.
Are you home?
Just got in.
Do you drive?
Not yet.
Got your bag?
Right here.
Want some tea?
Love to.
Is he funny?
Super funny.
Any updates?
Nothing new.
Can I help?
Yes, please.
What's wrong?
I'm cold.
Are you late?
Just a bit.
Got your key?
In my bag.
You look pale.
I'm sick.
Need water?
Yes, thanks.
Who is she?
My aunt.
Are you lost?
A little bit.
Want dessert?
Always yes.
Can you sing?
Just a bit.
Where's Mike?
At home.
You okay now?
Much better.
Hungry now?
Like crazy.
What's this?
My phone.
Where's Dad?
Sleeping.
Is this safe?
Totally.
Got your book?
Right here.
Feeling sad?
A little.
What's next?
Not sure.
You like cats?
I do.
Need a break?
Yes, badly.
Got a plan?
Not yet.
Do you paint?
Just hobby.
Want a hug?
Always.
You look mad.
Not really.
You sing well.
Thank you.
Any homework?
Just math.
Can we talk?
Of course.
Is he late?
A little.
Where to eat?
Try sushi.
Do you cook?
I try.
Watch movies?
Love them.
Like my shirt?
Looks good.
What's for lunch?
Salad.
You like dogs?
Totally.
Can I sit?
Sure.
You look tired.
I am.
Is this yours?
Yes.
Try this on.
Okay.
What's that noise?
No idea.
Got a charger.
Here.
Do you read?
Every day.
Is she home?
Not yet.
Are you done?
Almost.
Who's calling?
Mom.
How was work?
Long.
Can we leave?
Let's go.
It's cold out.
Wear this.
Where's my hat?
On chair.
You like games?
Yes.
Do you jog?
Often.
What's that book?
Novel.
Want ice cream?
Always.
Got your coat?
Right here.
You okay?
Fine.
Do you nap?
Sometimes.
Who's there?
Just me.
Is it ready?
Almost.
Like the song?
Love it.
Is he kind?
Very.
Feeling lucky?
Maybe.
Was it fun?
Great.
You like pizza?
Love it.
Want coffee?
Yes, thanks.
How's mom?
Better.
Where now?
Home.
Is it far?
Not really.
You swim?
Yes.
Can I go?
Sure.
Why so sad?
Bad day.
Is it real?
Not sure.
What time?
9.
What's that smell?
Fries.
Any rain?
Nope.
Going out?
Soon.
You ready?
Always.
Like my hair?
Looks cute.
Where's the bus?
Coming.
You look happy.
I am.
Do you like it?
I do.
Can I drive?
Be careful.
Are you mad?
Nope.
You hear that?
Yeah.
What's your job?
I teach.
You like music?
A lot.